Hello, this is Patrick Posey, brand ambassador here at Porsche Ontario, and today we're going to be going over some exclusive equipment items for our brand new 2022 Porsche Macan GTS. The vehicle that we'll be showcasing today is the recently refreshed 2022 Macan GTS. Now, what Porsche did for the 2022 model year is update the front and rear fascia, as well as the side blades for the vehicle. This particular model that we'll be demonstrating is in our paint to sample color, which is speed yellow. A couple of the exterior equipment items we'll be going over are right on top of our Macan GTS already. What we're looking at is the base roof rack support system, which comes in a pair of two and is easily affixed to the roof rails, which must be ordered from Porsche on your given Porsche model. They are locked in place right here and here, however they are interchangeable depending on the roof equipment that you do get. What we're looking at on top is our performance roof box. This was actually designed by Porsche in Weissach and is easily opened. Make sure the key is in the slot here and twist to its unlock position. Press the button on the side and it will release. Give it a good push up, and it will open. The neat part is that this roof box can be opened from either passenger or driver side of the car. The Porsche Performance roof box was built and designed using our wind tunnel and can handle speeds up to 124 miles per hour on the Macan GTS. It will feature a volume of 127 gallons with an even load capacity of 165 pounds. Another eye-catching equipment item would be our exclusive designed clear LED taillights. Once the brake is pressed, however, you will see the red shine through, but the finish on the exterior will be that of monochrome, black, gray, and clear. Another eye-catching equipment item would be our sport tailpipes finished in black. Easily affixed to your existing Macan S or GTS models, and they are also available in silver. As we move on to the interior of a Macan GTS, we'll go ahead and start in the trunk. Press the button beneath the rear wiper, and it will raise. Now what we have already inlaid into our trunk is going to be the all-weather trunk liner. For the more active individual, this will contain any mishaps that may happen, such as melted snow from ski or snowboarding boots. Another unique customization available through Porsche equipment is our all-weather floor mats. Available for all of our Porsche models and contoured to fit both front and rear seat areas, and they will also clip in the front. They have raised edges as well to prevent any damage to your carpet liner within your Porsche. Thank you for tuning in to watch our demonstration of the available equipment items for the 2022 Porsche Macan GTS. If you are interested in taking a look at these parts up close, please don't hesitate to come on by to Porsche Ontario. We'll be happy to show you in person. Thank you and have a wonderful day.